It followed from the special theory of relativity that mass and energy are but different manifestations of the same thing, a somewhat unfamiliar conception for the average mind.
Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany. He came from a middle-class Jewish family and displayed an early fascination with mathematics and science. His intellectual curiosity led him to pursue advanced studies in physics and mathematics at the Polytechnic Institute in Zurich, Switzerland, where he graduated in 1900. Despite facing difficulty finding a teaching position, he eventually secured a job as a patent examiner at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern, where he would work for several years. In 1905, Einstein published a series of groundbreaking papers that laid the foundation for modern physics. His theory of special relativity, encapsulated in the famous equation E mc superscript 2, revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and energy. This work earned him widespread recognition and established him as one of the leading physicists of his time. In 1915, he developed the theory of general relativity, which provided a new understanding of gravity as the warping of spacetime by massive objects. Einstein's fame continued to grow, and he received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. He later immigrated to the United States, fleeing Nazi Germany in 1933, and became a professor at Princeton University. During World War II, he played a role in urging the U.S. government to develop atomic weapons, although he later advocated for nuclear disarmament. Albert Einstein's contributions to science, including his work on relativity and his advocacy for peace, have left an indelible mark on the world, and he remains an enduring symbol of scientific genius and humanitarianism. Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, in Princeton, New Jersey, but his legacy lives on through his scientific achievements and his enduring impact on our understanding of the universe. Advocate for science and education. Einstein was a staunch advocate for science, education, and scientific literacy. If he were alive today, he would likely continue to promote the importance of scientific understanding and the pursuit of knowledge. He might involve himself in efforts to improve science education and encourage young people to pursue careers in STEM fields. Address global challenges. Einstein was deeply concerned about the welfare of humanity. If he were alive now, he might focus on addressing contemporary global challenges, such as climate change, nuclear disarmament, and the ethical implications of advanced technologies like artificial intelligence. He could use his influence to raise awareness and promote solutions to these pressing issues. Champion peace. Einstein was a vocal advocate for peace and a critic of war and violence. In today's world, marked by conflicts and geopolitical tensions, he would likely continue to use his platform to call for peaceful resolutions to conflicts and the reduction of nuclear threats. Scientific advancements. Given his history of groundbreaking scientific contributions, Einstein would likely be excited about the advancements in physics and cosmology that have occurred since his time. He might engage with modern physicists and contribute to discussions on cutting-edge topics in physics and theoretical science. Advocate for human rights. Einstein was a vocal supporter of civil rights and equality. In today's world, he would likely be engaged in advocating for human rights, social justice, and the protection of marginalized communities. While these predictions are speculative, they are based on Einstein's known values and interests. Einstein was a complex and multifaceted individual, and his actions in the present would depend on the specific challenges and opportunities of the time. Nonetheless, his legacy as a scientist, humanitarian, and advocate for a better world would likely continue to inspire positive actions and contributions if he were alive today.